In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an FAQ section on Google Sites. An FAQ, or Frequently Asked Questions section, is a simple way to answer common questions your visitors might have, all in one place. It helps reduce repetitive emails and makes your site feel more professional and user-friendly. I'll walk you through how to set this up using the built-in tools in Google Sites step by step. First, open the Google site where you want to add your FAQ. Make sure you're in edit mode, not just viewing the published site. If you see the toolbar on the right with options like Insert, Pages, and Themes, you're in the right place. If not, click the edit button so you can start making changes. Now, we're going to use a feature called a collapsible group. This creates a neat, expandable section that's perfect for FAQs because visitors can click to open or close each item. On the right-hand side, under the Insert tab, scroll until you find the option labeled Collapsible Group. Click that, and a new collapsible section will appear on your page. In the top part of this new section, you'll see a placeholder title. Click on that text area and type the name of your section. For example, FAQs, or Frequently Asked Questions. This heading will help visitors quickly recognize what the section is about. You can adjust the text style using the toolbar above if you want it to stand out more. Below the section title, you'll see a text box where you can add your actual questions and answers. Click inside this text box to start editing. A simple way to organize your content is to list each question, followed immediately by its answer. For example, you might type a question on one line, then on the next line type the answer, then leave a blank line before the next question and answer pair. As you type, think about the questions people really do ask most often. Keep your questions short and clear, and make your answers straightforward and easy to scan. You can also use basic formatting like bold for the question text or line breaks to separate each pair, as long as you stay within this one text box. When you're done adding your questions and answers, click outside the text box to see how it looks. You now have a clean FAQ section on your Google site, ready to help your visitors find the information they need quickly and easily.